Hello everyone, welcome back on our learning how to speak Cebuano in a fast and easy way. Okay, so last time as a review, we had done the 6 pronouns. Ako means I, you means ikaw, is you, singular. All of you means kamo, kamo or kamo is you, plural. Sila means they or them, and siya means he or she. So if somebody is talking about you, you probably would understand when they hear the word siya. It could be you. So anyway, let's just go back to that. Next lesson is the 5 W's. We're going to concentrate on the 5 W's and apply it to the pronouns that we had just learned. I'm not going to talk about all the 5 W's at once. I'm going to take one at a time and apply it to the pronouns that we just had learned. Okay, so there's the 5 that means who, what, where, when, and why. Who, what, where, when, and why. 5 W's. So we're going to first do the who, which means who are you, or something like that. We're going to apply that to the 5 pronouns that, or 6 pronouns, that we had learned. Who is kinsa? Kin, like Barbie doll, and Ken and Barbie doll, so it's kinsa. You can also say it kinsa, kinsa, kinsa. It's all the same. Any Cebuano could understand what are you talking about when you say kinsa. Kinsa, kinsa, any of that pronunciation, as long as you get the kinsa. Kinsa, kinsa. You don't have to say kinsa. You can also say kinsa. Still understood. Who? You're asking about who. So anyway, we're gonna do the first one today for who. Kinsa. So I'm gonna apply that to all the pronouns that we learned last time. Kinsa ako. Who am I? Who I am. Who am I? Kinsa. You can also say kinsa ako. Kinsa ako. Who am I? So we're gonna do the who, kinsa. Kinsa ako. Who am I? Kinsa ikaw. Who are you? Kinsa ikaw. Who are you? Kinsa kamo. Kamo or kamo. Kinsa kamo. That means who are you, plural. Kamo means you, all of you. Who are you? They could be all the cops, policemen for all you know. Who are you? Kinsa kita. Who are we? Who are we? Kinsa kita. Kinsa sila. Kinsa sila. Who are they? Kinsa sila. Who are they? Kinsa siya. Who is he? Who is she? Now that's simple, isn't it? Who am I? Kinsa ako. You're asking a kid, who am I? Kinsa ako. Do you know me? Kinsa ako. Kinsa ikaw. Who are you? Who are you? Kinsa ikaw. Who are you? What's your name? Who are you? Kinsa kamo. Kinsa kamo. Who are you? Plural. Who are you? All of you. Who are you? I'm not talking only one, which is you. I'm talking about lots of you. Who are you, people? Who are you, people? Who are you? Kinsa kamo? Kinsa sila? Who are they? I don't know them. Who are they? Kinsa sila? Kinsa siya? It could be a boy or girl. Kinsa siya? Who is she? Who is he? Kinsa siya? We're talking about he or she. Kinsa siya? That easy? I hope you guys find this lesson today easy to understand. Who, kinsa. So the next lesson will be the next W. So we're referring to the who, what, where, when, and why. That's the first, those are the 5 W's we're going to be talking. So I don't want to get you bored with my lessons, so I want to take one at a time. Who. So I hope you guys memorize the pronouns and the who. The fly, who are you? Kinsa, ikaw. But if I'm talking about all of you, kinsa kamo. Good, got it? Okay. We'll ask you about again. We'll have a drill next time, so please memorize or try to practice the different pronouns with the word who, kinsa, kinsa, kinsa. It doesn't matter how you pronounce it. Kinsa, kinsa, kinsa. All of those will work. Cebuano always understand what you're talking about. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Salamat.